Right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our math online class for today, which is still about Unit 6 fractions. Last time we discussed what is a fraction, what are the parts of a fraction, and how do we read and write fractions. For today, we have some warm-up questions. For number one, what do you call the answer in addition? What do you call the answer in addition?
Sum.
Sum, yes. How do you spell the word sum?
SUM.
Sam.
Yes, and that is the answer in addition. For number two, what operation do you use when you put things together?
Addition.
Addition.
Yes, when you put things together, it has to be addition, plus. Number three, what is the number on top of a fraction? You have a fraction, and what do you think is the number? What do you call the number on top? For example, you have 1/2. So what is that number? Number one. What do you call number one? It's called the numerator. Yes, numerator. Wait, I can hear a noise from someone's house. Maybe someone is talking near you. Okay, for the vocabulary words. For the vocabulary words, we have, turn off your microphone first. Vocabulary words, number one is addends. Addends. In Thai, what do you call addends in Thai? Okay, I can say addends.
Adam.
In Thai,
Herb.
those are the numbers. Those are the numbers that you add together. Okay, for example, you have the mathematical sentence 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you have to add 3 plus 2. So 3 and 2 are the numbers that you put together. Those are the addends. Next, we have amount. Amount. In Thai is,
จำนวน
okay, next is sum.
สับ
Sum. In Thai,
จำนวนรวมทั้งหมด
that is the answer in addition. All right, please turn off your microphone, everyone. Turn off. Turn off. Our topic for today is about addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Turn off your mic. When you say addition of fractions, it means you add fractions. It means you're going to use the plus symbol. You put fractions together. Next, an addition sentence has 5 parts. It has 5 parts. The first one is the first number. It's called an addend. And then you have to use the plus symbol, which looks like a cross. And then you have another addend, another number. And then the equal sign. And then the answer, which is the sum. Again, addition sentence has 5 parts. 2 addends, the numbers that you put together, the plus sign, equal sign, and then sum, or the answer. Now, for the fraction, we already discussed that a fraction is a part of a whole. And a fraction has 2 parts. What are the 2 parts of the fraction? Of a fraction? What are the 2 parts? The number on top is called the numerator, yes. And then the number at the bottom is called the
denominator.
denominator. Yes. Now, it means the fraction has 2 parts, but also it also has a horizontal line. Right. Now, when we add fractions, the fractions have the same denominators. For grade 3, we're going to have fractions that have the same denominators. It means when you say denominator, the number at the bottom here, the bottom. So for this sentence, you have 4 and 4. It means the denominator is 4. They are both 4. So we are going to add them together, okay, for grade 3. Because there are also fractions that have different denominators. For example, the other one is 4, the other one is 5. But then you still add them. Okay, that is maybe for grade 5, grade 6. But for grade 3, for now, you're going to add fractions that have the same denominator. It means same number at the bottom, right? Now, example, we have a pizza, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slices of pizza. So, what do you call this fraction if you have 4 slices? Usually,
1/4.
usually, usually,
One
uh,
fourth.
usually a whole pizza has 8 slices, right? 8. So this one is what? You have 4
Four,
slices.
eight. Four.
Yes, it is 4 8 actually. And then you have 2 eights because the whole pizza has 8 slices. Now out of the 8 slices, you have 2 for you, okay? So that is 2 eighths equals, if you
6,
add,
8.
yes, if
6,
you add
8.
4 slices plus 2 slices, then now you have 6
6,
slices.
8.
So when we do that in a fraction, this one is 4 8 because you have 4 out of 8 slices plus 2 8 equals, the answer is 6
6,
8.
8.
That's how you add a fraction. That's how you add fractions with the same denominator. As you can see, denominator still the same. 8, 8, 8. The answer will be still 8. Still be 8. But you only add the numerator. You only add 4, 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then you will just copy 8. That's how you add fractions with the same. When you say same, like denominators, just add the number on top and then copy the same denominator, right? Now, for example, another example, we have a whole circle and then we cut it into 8 parts. Now, the red parts are equal to 3, 8, right? And then the green parts are equal to, what's the fraction for the green parts?
2, 8.
2, 8, yes. Now, if you add them together, 3, 8 plus 2, 8 is equal to
Equals 5, 8.
5, 8, yes. You just copy the denominator, which is 8, 8, 8. And then just add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the fraction is 5, 8. As easy as that. Now, if the numerator will be the same as the denominator, it means, for example, you have 6, 8 plus 2, 8. What will be the answer? 6 plus 2 is
8, 8.
8, 8. Now you can see the numerator is 8. The denominator is 8. It means they are both 8. If you have 8 and 8, it is already equal to 1. Okay, it is one whole. For example, you have 8 slices of pizza. This one, you can see 6. For example, this is pizza, okay? You have 6 slices. Okay, for example, you have 6 slices of pizza. And then your friend gives you 2 more. Okay? And now you have 8 slices of pizza. 8, all the slices of pizza are yours. It means it is equal to one whole pizza. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Yes. Again, okay? If you have the numerator and the denominator that have the same number, if the numerator and the denominator have the same number, it will be equal to 1. Okay? Again, for example, you have 5, 5 fifth is 5 and 5. 5 for the numerator, 5 for the denominator. It means it is equal to 1 because you have everything, all of them. You have 5 parts, right? You have a total of 5 parts. And then you got all the 5 parts. So it means you had all of them. It means you have the whole 1. So it is equal to 1. Now let's do an activity. I'll be showing you this one. It's a game. Do you see it? You see?
Yes.
Okay. What do you call the activity, the game? It's called a put splat. Do you really see it?
Sprat.
Splat. Like splat.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Yes. Now this is how you do it. When I share the link to you later, you are just going to press level 1A. This is hard. This is hard. These are not for you because as you can see, they have unlike denominators. For us in grade 3, we are going to do level 1A. Add two fractions with like denominators. Right? I'll press level 1A and then we can do relax mode. Okay? Press relax mode. You can press fast mode. There. Do you see it? Do you see?
After.
Yes. So this one is what you're going to do. You're going to add two thirds plus 3/3 is equal to what?
5 3.
After.
5/3. So you're just going to shoot the fruit that has 5/3. That's
Pear. Pear.
yes. Next,
Why?
3/3 plus 2/3. What's it?
No, go down.
Say the answer.
After.
Yes, 5/3. Next,
5
what is it?
7 4.
Let's go.
7/4. There it is.
Let's go.
Next,
7, 8, 4. 8, 4.
4.
yes. What is it?
11, 8, 18. 11, 18. 13, 16.
13, not this one. Next, 6, 13 plus 7, 13.
1, 1.
But we don't have 1, so we'll just press this.
13, 13.
Okay, but correct. Very good. That is equal to 1. Next, what is it?
6, 6, 3.
6
3.
thirds. Next is
3,
3 half.
3 half. 3 half. 9 fifths.
9 fifths.
9 fifths.
Yes, very sweet. Very sweet. Oh, there. Game over. I'll send you the link. Do you want to play it? Yes, I'll send you the link and you can just... There's the link. Only one time, okay? One time.
อวดอีกคนนี้อ่ะแถมยังดึงหน้าแล้วบอกว่าผมมาแค่ให้คำแนะนำในฐานะสุภาพบุรุษเท่านั้นเองโดนไปอีกรอบเป็นยังไงล่ะพี่ลิงก็ถามว่า
Hospitaya. I can hear.
ได้นางก็เป็น
Only one time, okay? You do the game. Are you doing it? Press level 1A. Click here, level 1A, and then relax. Fast. Are you doing the game? It's a nice game, right?
Teacher,
score. I have 10 score.
I have 10 score.
Yes. And you're fast too.
Teacher, there's no 1118.
It's
Teacher, I can score.
a nice game, right?
Yes.
I
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, I chose fast food.
Yes. Maybe we can try level 2A. Do you see level 2A?
I
Okay.
slow food.
Teacher, easy.
Okay. Now you can do the game again, but this time let's do level 2A. This time you have 3 fractions. Okay, 3 fractions, but they still have the same denominator. Let's do it. Fast food also.
Fast food.
Do you see mine? Yes, you have 3 fractions.
Teacher, I don't want to fast food. I will slow
9
food.
4. 9 4.
Yes,
9 4.
you can
Fast
do it
food,
on
I
your.
don't like it.
You can do it on your own.
9
It's the
5.
same link.
9 5.
It's the same link. Okay, you can do it on your own too.
Okay.
Teacher, I can do it again.
Yes, the level 2A, level 2. This time is level 2.
คิดยากขึ้นต้องเยอะ
18กับ19ไปไหน
โอเค
Say the numbers in English, okay?
ชอบซ่อนอะไม่รู้ทำไม ซ่อน
Say
ต
the
ลอดเลย
numbers in English.
ขึ้นมาสีเกาหลี
เฮ้ยไอ้ยู
9กับ6 19 15
ห้า15 22
11
ใช่เด้อ
13
14
11
15
Say the numbers in English,
Yes,
not in
on.
Thai.
7กับ9 9กับ5โอเค
Chayanan, say in English. So you can
Teacher, I
practice saying
forget
them.
to turn off the mic.
You should practice saying the fractions in English.
Teacher, I have 30 score.
Really?
Yes, very easy.
Level 2, level 2A.
I can do, yes,
Yeah.
I can do the 3A.
Are you finished, everyone?
Teacher, there's no number I was looking for.
For the link
I mean in the
game, you have to wait. Maybe they're still hiding the answer. You have to
Teacher,
wait for
I
more.
can do the 3A.
No, 3A has different
11
different denominators. 3A has different denominators already. Finish. We have another activity.
Yeah, 27 score.
Teacher, do only
Good.
2. Do only
Yes.
2.
Yes, we have another activity after that.
Teacher, I choose slow food and I got 30.
I got 27.
I got 30.
All right, everyone
I got
finished.
30.
Now let us go
I got
to
30.
another activity.
What?
Okay?
Long?
This one is your wait. This one is your word wall activity. Do you see it? This one is
Fraction.
anagram. Yes, we have to spell the words. What word do you think this is? It is fraction.
F-R-A-N-T-I-O-N.
Yes. What's the next letter?
R.
R.
A.
I have I
C.
can do,
C.
but it's very hard to do.
Next.
I-O-N.
Yes. Next.
It's very hard to do long words.
How do you think is this? This one. It's talking about, it's pertaining to this one. This one is
I
the
know.
symbol. Yes.
S.
symbol
X, Y, M, L O or O L? O. Yes. Next. This one is the number at the bottom. What's the number at the bottom of the fraction? Denominator. Denominator. E. Deno. Sahaton, keep quiet. Deno. N. A. T. O-R. Yes. Next.
If we cannot spell
Next. What's the next one?
Numerator.
Mm. M. Yes. Next. This one is colored, the colored part. What do you think is that? Shaded. Yes. Okay. I'll send you this one so you can do it.
I think I can in the leaderboard. Oh no.
Yes, first on the leaderboard because I'm the first one to do it.
Look now.
Yes, you can see it now. Kahaton. Kahaton. You can see. Again, okay, I'll do it again. Fractions is F R A C T I O N S. Fractions. Symbol is S Y M B O L S. Denominator is D E N O M I N A T O R. Next is numerator. N M E R A T O R. The last one is shaded. S H A D E D, and that's it. Are you finished?
Teacher, I am number one in the leaderboard.
Yeah.
Lol.
Number three leaderboard.
Yeah.
ใคร number two อ่ะ Who number two?
Yes. Are you finished with it?
I finished already. I am number one.
Finished, okay. All right. Next, let us do our. Before this, I have another verbal activity. Okay, I have another activity first. It's this one.
Teacher, I am third of leaderboard.
Yes. Do you see this? We have another activity. It's called Table fractions. Okay, on number line. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see my screen? So you just have to count 0 until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 1. Okay, this is one whole. So which one do you think is this? Where is 7, 8? Where is 8, 8? Of course, 8, 8 is the whole. And then 7, 8. Do you see it?
Yeah.
6, 8. Next, first one half. First one half. This is one half, the half.
เย้หนูอยู่
1,
ในบอร์ด
8. 2,
Teacher, I
8.
am in the leaderboard. That is okay.
Yes,
I not
3,
care.
8.
นั่นมันอินเตอร์
care.
เน็ตบอร์ด
8.
I am in the leaderboard, but I not
Okay.
care.
ทีเชอร์ไออินเตอร์
If I in the leaderboard, that is okay.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
That is not okay.
I don't understand what to do in this
Again, okay. I will show you again. This one is equal to a one whole. One whole. This is one whole. So at first, you should start with 8, 8 because this is one whole. So you just bring it to the dot on number 1. Okay, that is one whole. Next, which one do you think is this? From 8 parts, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts.
One.
So this one is 1, 8.
ทีเชอร์ already
Okay. Okay, keep quiet first. We're telling your friends, okay? Next is, of course, 2, 8. And then 3, 8. 4, 8. 5, 8. Next is 6, 8. 7, 8. Now, for one half, which one is the one half?
Oh,
The
I
half.
understand now.
Yes, one half. It's the half. It's 4
Me
over
too.
8.
I
And
understand
then
now.
submit. Alright? I will send it to you so you can do it too. There.
เวิร์ดโบเยอะ
You have so much activities for today. That's the link. You try to do it one time, okay? Sahaton, what's that noise in your house?
My sister noise.
นี่ไม่ใช่เหรอ
ไม่ไป ปิดอยู่
ก็ไม่น่าฟังน่ารำคาญเพื่อทำไปเราอย่าพยายามทำมีอะไรก็ขอติ๊กเกอร์ขออนุญาตก่อนจะถามอะไรก็เปิด
เฮ้ยโอ้ยเจ็ดยังมีมาก
กินอย่างนั้นน่ะเล่นดีกว่า
เด้ดูด้านหนึ่งสองสี่แปดเดี๋ยวดึงลงมาเลยเยอะเยอะเยอะเยอะอ่ะเยอะเยอะเยอะ
Finish?
Yeah. น้องพิดิตกันยังกันที่กลาง
Only one time, okay? Finish?
Lonely birds say yeah
I know a leaderboard.
ไม่เป็นไรหรอกทำให้เสร็จก็พอไม่ต้องไปหลีกนะไม่ต้องเสร็จ
What is your need?
Finished?
Email Finish.
Teacher, I done in the leaderboard.
It's okay. It's okay. It's just for
Teacher,
practicing.
the one to pull the line is so hard.
Yeah.
I'm trying to pull the line.
It's okay. Because you're using a mouse.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Now,
Teacher,
yes.
I have nice score
Yes.
and
Okay.
34 seconds.
Okay. Now, let us go to our live worksheet. This is the one that you're going to take a picture of and you will put in the notes, okay? You understand that?
That is really hard.
You will put this in the note, all right?
เนี่ยหนูจะกด
น้องไวๆเย้
You
Teacher, easy.
Yes, you will put it in the note, okay? Write your name, grade, number, and it's okay if you don't put the date. It's okay. Now, the date today is 9/13. You can just write 13/9, okay? Now, for for our live worksheet, you're just going to click on your answer. It's either A, B, or C. A, B, or
อัน
C,
ดับ
okay?
สอง
Now, for number 1, you have 2/4 plus 1/4. It is equal to which one?
3
3/4. Yes, just click it. Next, 2/10 plus 5/10 equal to 7/10. Next, 1/5 plus 2/5 is 3/5.
25
5/9 plus 2/9 is equal to 7/9. Next, 3/5 plus 1/5 4/5. Click finish. Check my answers. Wait, and take a picture. Okay, and then later you will put
Super
it
easy.
in the note. It's super easy. It's just like addition, simple addition. You're just gonna copy the denominator. You're just going to add the numerator, right? Then later you will put that in the